So today we're talking to you about our Perma Blend Eyebrow Kit. The kit consists of a selection of 5 different pigments selected for their popularity. We start with the lighter skin and then I'm going to run through to the darker skins for you. First of all, we have taupe. Fabulous soft brown color. You would combine that together with a few drops of Tina's Gold to make sure that it stays nice and warm. Next comes forest brown. Forest brown can be used on a large variety of skin types. If you want them to be a lot warmer on your lighter skin tones, you'll add Tina's Gold to it. If you're using it on a darker skin tone and you want to ensure warmth, you would add ginger brown. Next we move on to darkest brown. Darkest brown would only be used on your really darker skin types, fits 4, 5, 6, depending on the kind of result that you're looking for, and you would use ginger brown to warm that up. So darkest brown together with ginger brown, fabulous for darker skins. And then along with the selection of the 5, you get our free pigment diluent. It's a substantial size bottle, 50 ml, and you get this for free.